How to insert picture in cell Excel. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to insert picture in cell Excel. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So as you can see right here, I have here a table that has cookies, the ratings, and the picture. As you can see right here, the picture is blank yet because we will just insert it later. So as you can see, here are some cookies and here's some picture. So what we need to do is just click on the cell and then click on this FX right here, which is the insert function. And then from in there, you can just search in here for image. So just click on that and search and click on this image right here. Click on OK. And then this will open this function argument right here. And then in here, you can just input the source. So in here, the source is the path of the source that points to the image. So it needs to be something that is taken online. So for example, let's head over to our browser. And then from in here, let's search for oatmeal cookies, for example. And then let's put in the images. And then just choose an image that you want. And then in here, just right click and click on this open image in new tab. And then in here, you can see the image. So just copy the URL. You can select the Ctrl+C or just right click and click on copy. And after you have copied that, head back again to the Excel and then put in here the source. Then as you can see, as you added the source, you can also add in the alt text. So it can be something like an alt text of oatmeal cookies. Then on the sizing, height, and width, I just leave that to that. After that, click on OK. And as you can see, the picture has been added on the cell that we have right here. So let's do that again on the raisin. So just search in here for raisin cookies. And in here, you have here some cookies with raisins on them. So you just do the thing that I have taught you. Open the image in new tab and then copy the link. And then insert it again. So in here, you can also just type in and click on this cell. Click on this thing right here. Click on the equals icon on your computer and then type in image. Then open the parentheses and then put in the source. And then lock it like that if you want it to be locked. Just like that. And then click on enter. And then as you can see, let's click on OK. But as you can see, you can need to add in an alt text. So since we didn't add an alt text, we won't be able to add it like that. So let's remove that again. Let's remove that and click on the FX here again. Click on image and just type in the source. You can just type in the alt text raisin. Click on OK. As you can see, the picture has been added. So in here, you can just click on this G and then click on this H. Then from in there, you can just right click on the specific rows. So you can, after you have right click on that, you should be able to see an option that will allow you to unhide the links that you have. So if you right click, you can format the cells that you want and you can unhide the thing, that URL that we have inputted in this picture. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped with the insert picture in cell Excel. If you have questions or comments, comment them down below and we'll try our best to answer them. Thanks.